औज़ुबिल्लाहि बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। उम्मीद है आप खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो में हम 10th क्लास बायो के फर्स्ट चैप्टर के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस की बात करेंगे और आज का जो टॉपिक है वो है रोल ऑफ लीवर। तो चलते हैं वीडियो की तरफ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, वेयर इज द लीवर लोकेटेड इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी एंड व्हाट इज द एवरेज वेट इन एन एडल्ट? The liver is a large organ located to the right side of the stomach. In an adult human, it weighs about 1.5 kg. Question number two, what is the function of the gallbladder and how does bile reach the duodenum? The gallbladder is a sac-like organ on the ventral side of the liver that functions to store the bile secreted by the liver. Bile reaches the duodenum through a specialized tube called the common bile duct. Question number three. Describe bile containing enzymes. Does bile contain enzymes? Explain how it assists in digestion of lipids. Though bile does not contain enzymes, however, it contains bile salts that break down large fats into small droplets and keep them separated from one another. This process, called emulsification, helps digestive enzymes easily attack and break down the lipids. Question number four, how does the liver help maintain glucose level in the body? The liver regulates glucose level by storing excess blood glucose as glycogen. When body's blood sugar level drop and energy is required, the liver breaks down that stored glycogen back into the glucose. Question number five, how does the liver deal with the toxic ammonia and other harmful substances like alcohol? The liver detoxifies the body by converting highly harmful ammonia produced during the breakdown of amino acid into less toxic urea, which is excreted through urine, breaking down other toxic substances such as alcohol. Question number six, list three functions of the liver related to vitamins, blood cells, and body temperature. Three diverse functions of the liver are vitamins. It stores fat soluble vitamins and prepares vitamin A from carotene. Blood cells, it breaks down old red blood cells that have completed their lifespan. Body temperature, it produces heat in the cold temperature by speeding up the body's metabolism. Next topic is disorders of the digestive system. The first question is, define diarrhea and name the group most at risk from its complications. Diarrhea is a digestive disorder characterized by a frequent loose or watery stools. It can lead to severe dehydration, which is particularly dangerous for children and elderly. What are the common signs, symptoms, and causes of diarrhea? Signs and symptoms. Abdominal cramps are pain, bloating, and signs of dehydration such as intense thirst, dry mouth, and dark urine. Causes. Infections, bacterial, viral, or parasitic, food allergies, stress, and certain medications like antibiotics. Question number three, how can diarrhea be treated and prevented? Treatment. Drinking plenty of fluids, using oral rehydration salts, ORS, eating a soft diet, and using antidiarrheal medications or antibiotics in severe cases. Prevention. Washing hands regularly, especially before eating and after using the restroom. Avoiding contaminated food or water and managing stress. Question number four, what is constipation and what are its main symptoms? Constipation is a condition where feces are not eliminated from the body at regular intervals. Its symptoms include infrequent or difficult bowel movement, less than 3 times a week, hard and dry stools, and abdominal discomfort or bloating. Identify the primary causes of constipation and how it can be prevented. Causes: a lack of dietary fiber, dehydration, lack of physical activity, certain medications like painkillers or iron supplements, and diseases such as diabetes. Prevention: eating a high fiber diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and drinking plenty of fluids. Question number six, what are the peptic ulcers and what are they called based on their location in the alimentary canal? Peptic ulcers are painful sores that develop in the walls of the alimentary canal. Depending on their location, they are called Gastric ulcer developed in the walls of the stomach. Duodenal ulcer developed in the duodenum. Esophageal ulcer developed in the esophagus. Question number 7. What are the major causes of peptic ulcer? Peptic ulcers are primarily caused by infections from the Helicobacter pylori bacteria or the long-term use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Other contributing factors include excessive alcohol consumption, smoking, and stress, which can worsen symptoms. Question number 8. What symptoms indicate a severe case of gastric ulcer and how ulcer medically treated? Severe symptoms: burning stomach pain, a rush of saliva after regurgitation, loss of appetite, weight loss, and abdominal vomiting in the severe cases. Treatment: antibiotics to eliminate the H. pylori bacteria, along with the medications like antacids and proton pump inhibitors to reduce stomach acid. उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इसको लाइक कमेंट और शेयर जरूर कीजिएगा, और अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो आपसे गुजारिश है कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आपको और अच्छी वीडियो मिल सके। शुक्रिया।